Hey everybody, so today we are cooking some green beans I picked. I've already started some bacon, and if you have a bunch of green beans, hopefully I will before the end of warm weather, you can do this recipe and can them. And even though there is bacon, there's not enough to where you would be doing meat times. I know a lot of people think so, but a little bit of bacon and a batch of beans, you would still do bean times, because times are based on density. You're not canning a jar of bacon, you're canning green beans seasoned with bacon. So hopefully I will be canning some green beans later, because now I got a bunch coming in. I'm surprised I could keep them alive. So I have my green beans snapped, and whatever size you want. These are green and yellow. I have some diced onion. I'm gonna add that. I have a jar of chicken broth. You could add garlic if you want, but my seasoning will have all of that in there. And since I've moved here, these are referred to as cooked to death green beans. You cook them until they're soft, and then at the very end, if you have some new potatoes or you want to cut up some potatoes, you can add some potatoes for with your dinner. And just make a big old pot. Add my green beans. I'm going to use some adobo. You could use some of the Sylvia's green seasoning, or Badia, or just salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, whatever you want, whatever you like. That scared me. I'm going to open this over the sink so I don't spill. Tight. I knew it'd get all over. You can use just some chicken bouillon or just water. Just cover them and let them cook. So I will show you these later when they're done. They're going to cook for a few hours. So that's it. Easy peasy. Okay everybody, so our green beans are getting pretty soft. I have a yellow potato here, chunked up. I'm just going to throw that in there just to use it up. And we will let that cook in the green beans until it is soft. So I will show you these when we are divvying up our dinner. Tastes good. I tasted the broths coming along really good. Yummy, yummy. So there's our green beans, you guys. Green beans, got a potato in there, some bacon, some onion. Let's take a bite. They're smoking hot. I literally just plated this. They're yummy. Perfect. So try that. You can even do it with canned green beans. You just wouldn't cook them as long. So like, comment, subscribe, leave an idea down below what you do with your beans, and you all have a good night, and you stay safe, you stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.